has so many cool details you're gonna love. It is listed at $935. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, but it has an optional 3rd bedroom. Upgrades galore, but boy did they keep the character. Wood burning fireplace, original gunwood trim. I don't know if you can see the detail here, but the box beam ceilings are really cool. You don't get that very often, even in Loma Portal, where we have a lot of character style homes. And it has original hardwood floors. However, it was highly updated and opened up, so it really fits the needs of today's family. Very large, formal dining room with the original leaded glass built-ins. And I love the fun character of the original stained glass windows. That might actually be the first time I've ever seen that, even in Loma Portal. This is a real fully remodeled kitchen. Very few homes in this price point in this neighborhood have such a nice kitchen and such an open concept living idea. You can really see how easy it would be to be with your family, entertain, and just enjoy living here because of how open it is. You've got quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, glass backsplash, and all of today's amenities, yet still stays with the character of the home. Now let me show you the bedrooms. This is our optional bedroom, which was originally built as an office, but it serves very well as a bedroom currently. Cute little girl's bedroom. Dual pane windows, so it's very quiet. It has central heat and air conditioning. And it's a good size again, original hardwood floors throughout the house. The master bedroom is next. This is a very large bedroom for this neighborhood. It's a neighborhood of older character homes. Most bedrooms are lucky to fit a queen size bed. This actually fits a king. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans, not that you'll desperately need them, because you do have air conditioning, but we do have a fabulous climate here, so you can have the windows open and enjoy the fresh air as well, even on a hot summer day. And then this is our 3rd bedroom, or second legal bedroom, but 3rd bedroom. It's a great baby's room, but it also is good for, kids of any size. Lots of windows, lots of privacy, good sized closet. Another ceiling fan in here. And here we are at the backyard. I love this backyard. It's very private. I love that tree. Lots of shade and the bougainvillea. But I think it's pretty easy to see here how you would entertain friends and family. There's your air conditioning, practically brand new. Room for a garden, room for just a patio, grass. And off of the yard is a detached 2-car garage. We won't go in the 2-car garage because it's just full of stuff right now, but it's actually an oversized 2-car garage where you could actually park 2 cars. There is a driveway, which I'll take you to see now. The driveway probably holds 6 cars. They let their kids play out here, which is kind of fun, but I don't know if you can see how long the driveway is. I think you could fit 6 cars in that driveway quite easily. And a full 2-car garage. So lots of great amenities for a house in this price point, plus it has the vintage Craftsman character, which is, even in Loma Portal, we have more Spanish style homes than Craftsman. This is the front of the house. I really wanted to highlight some of the things that I love about Loma Portal. You can see some of the surrounding neighborhood in this shot. What I like is that there are kids playing on the street, there are families out walking their dogs, parents walk their kids to school, so it's really got a great neighborhood feel to it. And here we are back at the front. But if you turn and look that way, you can see that you are not even a block to Liberty Station, which is full of restaurants, bars, a movie theater, groceries, everything you could need, you can walk to or stroll. There's also Saleho Golf Course right there. That's actually what we're looking at right now, which is part of Liberty Station. And a little peek view of the city skyline in between there, which is kind of fun. House sits up high off the street. This is, I actually prefer this side of the street because it's higher than the other. And then if you want to come back in one last time and see the living room, this is our open house tour. Come on in and get like a nice panoramic view of how open the spaces are to each other.